for today. So, we gapped up, got a bit of a sort of a hanging man that's formed. But you know what? The trend is up, and as far as I'm concerned, we are targeting all-time highs and this gap to the upside. And I still remember when I was calling it down here with the upward trend and people arguing with me. But anyway, we're well on our way. And that is the reality of the situation right now. So anyway, we are at a level of resistance, as you can see if you look to the left. I'm not too phased about that at the moment, though. And what I'd be looking for is just look what's happening here. I'm not even going to bother looking past this area here, because there is an area of support right there, and I'll just put those two levels in there. And by the looks of things, we're flirting with this swing low here. Okay, so let's come back here, and you'll see that that lines up fairly well with this area here. So this breakout that we've had here at 3216 is fairly interesting at the moment. If I come down to the hour, you can see there was a lot of attempts to get through here, and then we broke through here late last night, and then we've basically gone sideways from there. So I would like to see a retest of that area. Okay, the other area would be around this area here of 3185. But this 3,200 area is clearly been fairly significant, and the advice I've got for you today is very simple. What you're looking for, if we can get a pullback back to test the sort of this opening high of the day, if we can get a pullback back to test this area here today at 3214. There are a couple of other little levels inside there, and I'm going to use bars here to highlight them. Remember, I'm now on the 15-minute chart, so basically we are looking for micro levels. So 3210 and 3200. Those are the areas that I'm watching for. So I'm looking for a pullback into this area, and then I'm looking for an opportunity to be long. And your long is once we're through this area that we're in at the moment, what do we have next? There is sort of two swing highs there. And you can see there's a bit of users resistance as well. So that's 3266. Once we're through 3266, we are then looking at this area here, which is bottom of the gap, which is 3,300, and then we'll be looking at this area up here, which is gap, which is 3343, and then we'll be looking for an all-time high and a miraculous recovery on the markets. Anyway, so back to 15-minute. Guys, there's no reason to be short. I don't even think you should even be thinking of shorting this. You're only looking for longs, and you're looking for areas where you can get in. So right now, this congestion for most of yesterday, I would like to see that tested. So this 3,200 area is definitely where I want to see a pullback. Going to offer a long, and I'm holding out for 3266, and possibly take some profit there and leave some to run for 33. Okay, my other bit of advice here is take profit at each of these levels. Okay, if it does break through and it comes back and starts testing a level to move up, it gives you another opportunity to go long, and you can carry on long. But what could happen is it hits that level and it bounces all the way down and sort of erodes all the profit you've made. And we are overbought, quite extensively overbought at the moment. So I'm always very wary of chasing longs when we're overbought on the higher time frames. They can stay overbought for years, but I still prefer to take my profit and just capitalize on any pullback that we can actually get in on the markets again. Okay, so that's me on the S&P. Quite short and sweet today. Long it is. 15-minute chart is the chart of choice today. Wait for the pullback onto the structure that you see. Get in for your long. Move your stop below the previous swing lows and take that trade to the upside. And you are targeting 3,266, alternatively 3,300. Those are the two areas that you should be targeting for today. Anyway, I hope that helps. If it does, leave us a like at the bottom. Really appreciate that. We are trying to grow the channel. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Stay safe, keep those stops tight, and cheers for now.